Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. On this video, I'm going to show you how to fix some problems with your voice chat inside Steam. Something that is making some trouble inside some games, okay, through voice chat. For instance, this game here, Phasmophobia, you have to talk inside the game with your colleagues, with your partners, and sometimes you have just a little bug here and there. Nobody can hear you, or you cannot hear anyone from your team. So how to fix this problem inside Steam? Okay, you can do a lot of things. First thing you might want to do is go to the game you are having this problem. Go to settings, this button right here, properties, go to installed files and verify the integrity of the files. Just click here and Steam will just fix any issue, any bugs inside the files of this game inside your computer. Okay, this is the first thing you might want to do in any game you want. Okay, another thing you might want to do is check for updates inside this game that you are facing this problem. Okay, you just choose whatever game you want to make do this. You just go to the settings again, properties again, then you go to updates, the second button right here, and try to keep this like always maintain this game update, always keep this game update. Okay, you can do manually, you can change to just update when you start your Windows. You can have high priority, just update before the other products, but I suggest that you just hit this one, this first one right here. Always keep your game update. Okay, this will be automatically update through Steam. Steam will do this. You don't have to do anything else. Okay, when you open Steam. Another thing you might want to do is check for Steam voice settings. Okay, so you might want to go here on this Steam name on the top left corner right here, go to settings. Here on voice, you can just choose on this button the microphone you wanna use inside Steam games. Okay, so my microphone is this one, HyperX Solocast. So you just hit this, you just change whatever gain you want on the volume. Okay, you can change here for open mic, so anything you talk, anyone else will heard. Okay, or just push to talk, this middle one, or just push to silence. Okay, you just make your settings right here inside voice, inside settings, not on the game itself. Not you won't do this on the games. You will do this on Steam button, this one right here. You just click, go to settings, voice right on the last one, of the last one, and you just make your settings inside here. Make sure you just you put your microphone, your correct microphone on this part right here, device of voice enter. Okay, so do this and your problem maybe will be off. Okay, another thing is to do the same thing but inside the game itself. You wanna fix this problem. So let's say in Phasmophobia, you might want to go to you just press ask and go to settings, game and audio, and you will find some microphone device. You just select your own microphone inside the game you want to do this. Okay, or the developers of the game can fix this to you. Okay, so like let's take again this Phasmophobia example. Okay, now and then the developers make a hotfix to, let's go to community here and I show you. Okay, like this, some new things, some changes and some fixes. So here and then inside this fixes update, they will just type here, oh, we just fixed the problem of game chatting a game voice problem, anything like that. Okay, anything close to this. Okay, so this is a thing that depends of the developers, not you. Okay, but check out for updates inside the community of the game. You might want, you are facing this problem. Okay, so That's it for today's video. Hope you enjoy, hope you learn it. I see you on the next one, and bye bye.